Godzilla vs Kong, a new movie from the Monsterverse, get released in the March 2021. It's a very good movie. If you didn't watch it now, at least the final battle. In today's video, we are going to talk about a character in this movie named Mechagodzilla. Those who are not familiar with the comics as well as the old movies, they may be not familiar with the Mechagodzilla. Well, Mechagodzilla is actually very powerful, and today I am going to discuss about that. So keep watching the video and make sure to subscribe the channel if you are new, and also open the bell notification, like this video and share it to others. And finally, let's begin. So Mechagodzilla is a fictional mecha character that first appeared in 1974 film Godzilla vs Mechagodzilla and recently appeared in the Godzilla vs Kong 2021. The height and length of the Mechagodzilla is 120 meters. It has two forms, normal form and super form. The weight of the normal form is 150,000 metric tons and the weight of the super form is just 482 metric tons more. Currently, it is destroyed by the Kong if you have seen the Godzilla vs Kong the final battle. The basic discussion about the Mechagodzilla is over, and now let's discuss about the powers of the Mechagodzilla. If you have seen the Godzilla vs Kong, the latest movie that came in 2021 in March, then you have more or less a lot of idea about the powers of Mechagodzilla. So let's discuss about it. The first power of Mechagodzilla is the shoulder missiles. If you have seen that movie, then you have also seen while running towards Godzilla, it had fired missile from his shoulders. Actually, not only shoulders but also from the backside, and that missiles had a lot of powers and that were causing a lot of damage to Godzilla. The next comes the laser beam, and probably laser beam is the strongest weapon of the Godzilla as you are seeing in the picture. The red laser beam is just like the atomic breath of the Godzilla, and this laser beam is stronger than the atomic breath of Godzilla. If you have some idea about the temperature of the normal atomic breath, then you might have known it's 5 lakh degrees Celsius, and if Godzilla hits it with the full power, then it's more. But that laser beam of Mechagodzilla defeated the atomic breath of Godzilla. So you can just try to imagine the power of that laser beam. If you have seen the movie, you have noticed that Mechagodzilla can use energy charged punches and kicks which were causing a lot of damage to Godzilla. Mechagodzilla from the beginning is very much powerful, and when it came to that Godzilla vs Kong movie, it became so much powerful after defeating Godzilla. Yes, Mechagodzilla almost defeated Godzilla, and if Kong didn't come at that moment, then of course the Godzilla would have been killed. As I said earlier that Godzilla was going to be defeated if Kong didn't come at that time. These energy charged punches and kicks played a very important role to defeat the Godzilla. So the next power is the tail drill. If you have watched the full body structure of the Mechagodzilla, then you have noticed that at the tip of its tail there is a drill-like structure, and Mechagodzilla used his tail drill on his opponent. Most of the time he failed, but he tried to use this on both Godzilla and Kong. First time he tried it on Godzilla, which was blocked by Kong, and then he tried it on Kong. And after that, what happened was the most interesting part of the whole movie. So at the end, Mechagodzilla possesses enormous strength, is made of space titanium. It has a lot of weapons as well as missiles fixed in his arms, chest, fingers, knees and also many other places. Well, it can also spin its head around to generate a powerful shield which was not shown in the movie, but it has this power. It has also some laser beams, for example I-beams and energy beams. Individually, Mechagodzilla can kill Godzilla as well as Kong, and it also did it in the movie if Godzilla and Kong didn't interfere in each other cases. While killing Godzilla, Kong interfered, and while killing Kong, Godzilla interfered. When Mechagodzilla was trying to kill Kong, Godzilla used his atomic breath on his axe and Godzilla cut it into pieces, which was one of the most interesting part. And while killing Godzilla, Kong helped him because he realized that Godzilla was not an enemy, he was a friend. I think Godzilla is more powerful than Kong, but in the movie Kong was more dominative, I would say that, and you all have to agree that Kong was actually more dominative. So this is the end of our video, and if you want to see more amazing, uncommon, informative, exciting and entertaining videos like this type, hit the subscribe button, open the bell notification. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it to others and also comment. And finally, thanks for watching.